Hi everyone, welcome to Yarnish Love. Today I have a super fun crochet project for you. A bright and happy sun granny square. Perfect for adding a touch of sunshine to your blankets, bags, or any creative project. For this project, I'm using Aliza cotton gold yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Grab your yarn and hook and let's crochet together. To begin, make a magic ring. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. 16 double crochet into the ring. For double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. This is a double crochet. I have 1 double crochet. Go on until you have 16 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, and 16. Close the ring. Skip the 3 chains and go to the first double crochet and slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. This is my double crochet and this is the top part of this stitch. For a slip stitch, insert the hook into the stitch. Pull up the yarn. Pull this yarn on the hook through this loop. Round 2, chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same stitch or space. For single crochet, insert the hook into the space, pull up the yarn. 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. Chain 1. 1 double crochet into the same stitch. 2 double crochet into next stitch. 1 and 2. 2 double crochet in each stitch by the end. And at the end you will have 32 double crochet. And count in this first single crochet and the chain 1 as 1 double crochet too. In fact, I'm having 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet in each stitch. I have my 32 double crochet and a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Skip the first single crochet, chain 1, and on top of the first double crochet, slip stitch. Round 2, chain 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up the yarn. And you can see that I'm pulling the loops on the hook as long as possible to create a better texture. So continue, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up the yarn 2 times, 1 more times, 3, 4, and 5. I repeated this pattern for 5 times. Now yarn over and pull it through all the loops on the hook. Chain 2. Skip the next stitch and repeat the pattern into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up the yarn, and pull the loops as long as possible. Twice, 3 times, 4, 5. Yarn over and pull it through all the loops, chain 2. Skip the next stitch into the next stitch, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up the yarn over, insert, pull up, yarn over, insert, pull up, over, insert, pull up, and the 5 times. Yarn over, pull it through all the loops, chain 2. Repeat this pattern in every other stitch by the end, and at the end you will have 16 sun rays. At the end I have my chain 1 and the slip stitch on top of the first ray. I'm going to join it here at the back side, the slipping stitch. Now you can fasten off. For round 4, join your yarn into any space. For example, I'm going to join it here and chaining 3, 2 double crochet into this space, 1 and 2. This chain 3 is considered as 1 double crochet, so I'm having 3 double crochet now. Chain 2, 3 more double crochet into the same space, 1, 2 and 3. In fact, I've created my first corner. 3 half double crochet into the next space. For half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into this space and pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. 2 and 3. 3 half double crochet into next space, 1, 2, 3. 3 half double crochet into next space, 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to create my corner into next space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 2, 3, all into the same space, chain 2, 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, 3. And this is how it looks like so far. I'm having my corner, 3 half double crochet clusters, and another corner. So let's repeat this pattern. I'm going to create 3 half double crochet clusters in next 3 spaces, then creating next corner. 3 half double crochet clusters, corner, half double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet. I'm doing it and then I will see you here. At the end, slip a stitch into the 3rd chain from the 3 chains at the beginning of the round. I'm going to slip a stitch here. And this is my granny square. I'm going to add 1 more round for this part. And if you want to continue creating other rounds, try to reach yourself into the first corner space. Slip a stitch into the next stitch, slip a stitch into the next stitch, and slip a stitch into this corner. Now I'm ready for round 5. Round 5, chain 3, 2 double crochet into the same space, chain 2, 3 double crochet into the same space. I'm creating my corner. This is the first corner. As you can see, I have a cluster of double crochet, cluster of half double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet. I'm going to create my stitches in between the clusters. For example, here, among the clusters. And in this round, I'm only using double crochet stitches. No more half double crochet, only double crochet stitches and clusters. So I'm going to create a cluster of double crochet here. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Another cluster here. 1, 2, 3. Another cluster in between. 1, 2, 3, and another cluster here. 1, 2, and 3. I'm having my corner. 1, 2, 3, 4 clusters of double crochet and another corner here. 4 corners, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 3, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 2, 3, and just repeating this pattern all around. 4 clusters of double crochet, corner, 4 clusters, corner, 4 clusters, and I see you here. I decided to change the color of the sunlight. If you want to change the color too, after finishing round 2, fasten off and join your yarn in any stitch and chain 2 and start the round. Now at the end of this round, I fasten off I go to the first double crochet here, not these chains, first double crochet from back side and pull this yarn through these 2 loops, and this is my last double crochet. Here is the top part. I'm going at the center, taking these 2 loops behind. I'm at the center of this stitch and pulling it again, and this is it. I joined so neatly, and this is my sun granny square. Hide the tails behind. I'm using a needle This beautiful sun granny square is ready. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun crochet projects. Happy crocheting!